If Gmail is showing error code 2008, don't worry, because this is usually a temporary sync or authentication issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. It often happens because of an unstable internet connection, an outdated browser session, a corrupted cache, or even a temporary Gmail backend delay. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest and fastest way to troubleshoot it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether Gmail itself is having a service issue. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps Status Dashboard. This is the official page that shows whether Gmail and other Google services are working properly. If Gmail is experiencing an outage or partial disruption, the issue may not be on your side at all. In that case, the best move is to wait and try again later, because the error may resolve automatically once Google finishes restoring service. If the status dashboard shows everything is running normally, the next step is to refresh Gmail and try loading your inbox again. Open Gmail directly in your browser and sign in if needed. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary session problem, and simply reloading the page can reconnect your account properly. If Gmail opens after a refresh, give it a moment to sync and check whether your messages and folders load correctly. If the problem continues, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Old or damaged cached files can interfere with Gmail and cause login or sync errors like code 2008. To do this, click the browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner, then go to Delete Browsing Data. From there, choose the option for cached images and files and clear that data. You do not always need to delete everything, but removing cached data is often enough to fix display and authentication problems without affecting your important account information. After clearing the cache, restart your browser completely and open Gmail again. This is important because the browser needs a fresh session to reconnect with Google servers. Once Gmail reloads, check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this step alone resolves temporary loading and sync failures. If you're still seeing Gmail error code 2008, the next step is to disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script managers, or any extension that interacts with websites. Some extensions can block the scripts Gmail needs to sign you in, refresh your inbox, or sync messages properly. To manage this, open the browser menu, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. Turn off your ad blocker first and then any other extension that could interfere with Gmail. After disabling them, refresh Gmail and test it again. If Gmail starts working after turning off extensions, you've found the cause. You can then re-enable them one at a time to see which one was triggering the issue. That way, you keep your browser secure and still avoid the Gmail error in the future. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Even though error code 2008 often looks like a Gmail problem, weak Wi-Fi, switching networks, or an unstable connection can break the session and prevent Gmail from syncing correctly. If possible, reconnect to a stronger network or restart your router and try again. So to recap, the fastest fix for Gmail error code 2008 is to check the Google service status, refresh Gmail, clear your browser cache, and disable conflicting extensions like ad blockers. These steps cover the most common causes of the issue and usually get Gmail working again without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.